Standing here at Piazza San Luigi dei Francesi. The main feature of the square is the Church of San Luigi dei Francesi, or St. Louis of the French, the national church of France and Rome. The church was completed in the late 1500s, funded in part by Catherine de' Medici and dedicated to King Louis XIV of France. The interior is a Baroque masterpiece, but the real draw is the Contarelli Chapel, which houses 3 major paintings by Caravaggio. Caravaggio's triptych here depicts the scenes from the life of St. Matthew, including his calling, inspiration, and martyrdom. The most famous of the 3 is the Calling of St. Matthew. Known for its dramatic lighting and ordinary figures, considered a turning point in Western art. The chapel is free to enter, though dimly lit. You may need a coin to illuminate the paintings for a few minutes. The piazza itself is small but charming, often filled with students and local life, tucked away just behind Piazza Navona.